Hey guys, I'm here with Brent from our other channel, SaskYakAnglerTV, and we are going to cut this tree here down. Here's Brent getting... Alright, the tree is down. I am heading over to the shop. I'm gonna grab the beam cutter. Apparently Brent made a homemade beam cutter. Not too sure what it looks like, but I'm going to find it. Found the beam cutter. Look at that little contraption, hey? Line it up here to how big of a beam you want and cut away. Brent's cutting this log here. About 4 or 5 feet long chunk of log, and I'm gonna try and carve a bear. All right, I got the shape of the bear's head done. Not sure how it's gonna turn out. I did draw it out first. Brent's trying to make wood chips over here. Alright, here's what the bear looks like so far. Not bad for an outline, I guess. The tree is cut down and it is chopped into logs. And now we are fishing. Fishy, 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 fishy. Fishy, 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 fishy. Brent, you catching anything?